Now we would learn the line number. Line number 5. Line number 5 in Braille. 7 line system. Line number 5. So line number 5, it has you can say we call this line is called below line. This line is called
below line.
Because in this line, if you focus on a cell, it has 6 cells. So this line is, if we focus on this cell, it has 6 dots, 1, 2, 3 on right and 4, 5, 6 on your left. So top is 1, 4. Middle is 2, 5 and lower is 3, 6. So first step we will miss in this line, okay? We will not use 1, 4.
Okay.
So we will bring it down.
Down.
For example,
2, 5.
what is, if
below.
it is line is, if A, what is the number of A? 1. Instead of using 1, what will we use?
2.
We will go one step down. And we will put just 2. So 2 is actually what it is? Comma, which comes always at the end of a word. But if it comes in the beginning or middle, it means EA. It is the sign of EA. But if it comes at the end, it is comma. This line has mostly punctuations.
Okay.
So now we will write below B, right? What is the number of B?
1, 2.
1, 2. So in below B, what number would it be?
2, 3.
2, 3. We will put 2, 3. What it is?
2, 3.
Yeah. It is semicolon. It is semicolon. If it comes at the end of a word. But if it comes in the middle, it means double B, like bubble. Bubble. So, and if it comes in the beginning, it means BE. That is the contraction of BE. For example, beside. Okay? Now we are moving to next, below C. What is the number of C?
1, 4.
1, 4. So in below C it would be
2, 5.
2, 5. So 2, 5. This is what it is?
2, 5.
2, 5 means colon.
Colon. This is colon. If it comes at the end of a word. But if it comes in the beginning of a word, that is the sign of con, C-O-N. For example, if you want to write contract, contraction, continue, right? If it comes in the middle, then it is double C. If it comes in the middle, it is double C, like success. Okay. Next is below D. Okay. What is the number of D? 1, 4, 5. If I have below D is 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. We are not using the top 1, 4. Okay.
Yeah.
So 2, 5, 6 below D. Below D is what?
2, 5, 6.
Yeah. Well, which sign is it?
Full stop.
Full stop. This is full stop. Or Americans call it period. Yeah. So period or full stop if it comes at the end of a word. But if it comes in the middle of a word, it is double D. It is double D. And if it comes in the beginning of a word,
This.
D-I-S. So we leave a blank And now next is, what is the number of E?
E. 1 5.
1 5. And if I bring it a bit lower,
2 6.
2 6. So I will write 2 6. 2 6. This is the sign of
2 6.
En.
En.
This is the sign of
En.
En. No matter if it comes in the middle, beginning, or at the end of a
All positions is En.
En. At all position it is En. Leaving a blank. Now I am moving to
F.
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 What is the number of F?
1 2 4.
1 2. If I bring it a bit lower, it is
2
lower F. Lower F is, what is the number of lower F?
2 3 5.
2 3 5. 2 3 5. That is the sign of sign of exclamation. Like hurrah! Oh no!
Oh no.
Ouch!
Wow.
Wow! Super! Okay?
Yes.
But if it comes in the middle of a word, it is
F.
double F. For example, suffering,
Suffering.
Different.
If it comes in the middle, beginning of a word, it is TO2.
Is this?
To TO2. Like he goes to school. In Braille, we can just connect to and school together by using 2 3 5. Okay?
Okay.
Before school, we can use 2 3 5 without leaving a space. I leave a space and then it is, what is the number of G?
Number of
G
1 2
1
4
2
5.
1 2 4 5. Okay? What is the number of, then if you bring it down, it would become
2 3 5 6.
2 3 5 6. So it is lower G.
2 3 5 6.
Lower G. So lower G is, if it comes in the beginning or at the end, it is
Where?
That one is
bracket.
close bracket.
Open bracket and close bracket, general bracket, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, but if it comes in the middle of a word, GG. For example, suggestion. Okay?
Yes.
So, but if it comes alone, it means word.
Where?
Word. W-E-R-E. Word. If I were a prime minister, if I were the president of US instead of Donald Trump. Now I'm leaving a space. I'm putting, what is the number of H? What is the number of H?
1 2 5.
If I bring it down, it would be
2 3 6.
2 3 6. So 2 3 6. We call it lower H. Lower H is
2 3 6.
2 3 6. So where we use question mark. Where we use question mark. Where we use question mark. Of course, at the end of a word. It is not used in the middle or in the middle, but it is used in the beginning of a word. If it comes in the beginning of a word, it is
Open quotation.
open quotation mark, open inverted comma. Okay? And if it comes alone, it is his, H-I-S, his. Leaving a blank space. Now I am saying putting I. What is the number of I?
2 4.
If I bring it down, what is the number?
3 4.
3 5.
Yeah, sorry, 3 5.
3 5.
3
We
5.
call it lower I. We call it
Lower.
lower I. So 3 5. So this is contraction of in no matter comes in the middle, at the end, beginning, or comes alone, it is everywhere in. Next we are moving to J. What is the number of J?
245.
245. If I bring it down, what number would it be?
356.
356. 356 is the contraction of or the sign of close quotation. This is lower J, right? This lower J means close quotation. You have close inverted commas. Okay? But if it comes alone, that is the contraction of was. And if it comes in the beginning of a word, it is by. Just for example, I go by bus.
By the preposition by.
Next is
By the preposition.
By the end of June.
by the end of the June,
We will
you
go
would
back
be
to
back
the
in your country.
country.
Yes, you would have holidays. Your course would finish.
Exactly.
So next is our fifth line is completed.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.